What is going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Now today I am at Gandy Bridge, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the kayak out and we're going to be fishing the pylons of this bridge. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we are on our way. Now it is kind of funny, this is actually my first time fishing in the Tampa Bay, which is actually kind of surprising. I've really just been fishing the beaches and stuff, so it'll be interesting to see what we can catch out here. There we go. There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, that's a shark. Shark in a kayak. Oh my goodness. What in the world? What the heck? Oh my God. What? On shrimp too. Alright, so what I just did was I flipped them upside down. When you put a shark upside down, basically it puts them to sleep somehow, like it's like a little trance. Look at that. Alright, see dude. Alright, well, I was not expecting that whatsoever. Oh, whoa, look at the size of this. Whoa. Check this dude out. That is pretty cool. See, dude. That was pretty cool. That was the biggest puffer fish I've ever caught, I believe. Pretty sure. But I think I found us the fish. So I think the key is just to let it hit the bottom and let it sit there. Because basically we got a lot of current right now and like it's trying to move the bait in lots of different directions. If I can just get it on the bottom, they're gonna hit it. There we go. We got something else. What is this? Oh great, another shark. Again, another very cool catch. See, dude. What's with all these sharks? Alright guys, another shark. Sorry about that, I didn't know if the camera was recording or not. See, dude. Oh man, so many sharks out here. Ooh, looks like we got another bonnet head. Oh my God. Oh no, he's around the anchor. Oh my God, this one's the biggest one so far. See, dude. It just occurred to me that this is the first video of 2023, and my first fish of the year was a bonnet head, which is actually pretty cool. Compared to last year's first fish was like a bass or something. I can't remember exactly, but it's kind of crazy just thinking how much has changed in the past year, which I'm gonna make like a New Year's video coming up pretty soon. But this is pretty cool, from going to bass fishing to catching sharks on a kayak, you know. That's I've come a long way this year. Another one. Oh, so really small. Alright, see, dude. Ugh. This one's bigger. Very big. or just foul hooks. Ugh. All right, there he goes. All right, another shark down. I think that's 5 or 6. I've honestly lost count at this point. This is kind of freaking crazy. There we go. Oh, what? Really? Oh my gosh. That was a stingray, guys.